So borewell digging has been stopped in Bangalore, sir. Borewell digging has been stopped in Bangalore for.
No, I've asked Bangalore City Water, BWSSB and Corporation. We had a meeting. We are taking over all the RO plants in the custody of BWSSB because we want a clean, safe water, and we want. I have got complaints from various that some of the places I have made a small check. Some of them are not working. So Corporation BWSSB will take care of all the drinking water. It will repair all RO plants, and they will take care of all the BWSSB will do all
There was severe problem in the last summer, sir. Will it be cleared because you visited many places related to water management in this summer?
Sure. We are at it. We are already planned for it. They are crying that they are losing 1,000 crores every year. You are not raised. You are not permitted me. They are also crying at me. Let me look at it.